Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the device section. On the third position we've got the sound, so let's enter, and here let's scroll down to find again the sound section, let's say. And as you can see here, we've got three different options, so we can change the ringtone for calls, for the phone ringtone, but also for the notifications and the alarms. But I will focus on the phone ringtone, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available and defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of the option, we've got the option None, which means that after picking it, your device won't notify you about the incoming calls. I mean, it will notify you, but not with the sound feedback. What's more, we can tap on this plus icon, and thanks to this, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any content downloaded, and if it will be compatible, then they will appear right here. You will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me go back to those defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and let me maybe... Okay, let me volume it down. By the way, what a strange position to place the volume up and volume down buttons. Alright, so all you have to do in order to listen is to simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like here, and tap on Done. And as you can see, we just got back to the sound section, but under the phone ringtone, we've got the name of the ringtone we just picked. So it means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming calls. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.